the primary and secondary colors.
What are primary and secondary colors?
See everyone, he doesn't know, but today I will help him and I'll help you all to learn primary and secondary colors.
Okay.
So-
Let's start.
So this is blue. This is a primary
blue.
color.
This is primary color.
This is red
This is red.
and this is yellow.
And this is yellow.
These all are primary colors.
These all are primary colors. Red, blue, yellow.
Yes. So we will paint with the primary colors in our color wheel. So first let's do blue. Take the blue color. Put your blue color here.
Oh, I didn't take it.
You didn't take it? Put it in the water a bit. And now do in this corner. And I'll also take some bit of the color. Put it in the water.
Now we are doing
Now we will do the next
color.
primary color.
It is
Red.
So first we'll open it, then color the red one.
Yeah, the red corner. Take a bit of. First put your in water and then take.
Start.
And now we will do the red color.
I'm making line because I go out sometimes.
Now we will do the another primary color.
That
is
is
yellow.
First we have to open it.
Just put a bit right here.
Okay. I'll do the outline first because I
Do you know primary colors cannot be created? They are in their own right. So now we will take our plate and mix the primary colors to make secondary colors.
Yes.
Let's yellow color a little bit only and spread it here. And now we'll take red color. Don't take it too much, Eric. Now mix. I think we need a bit more yellow.
No, I don't think so.
I think so. And mix it.
Yes.
Now it's
And-
making orange.
Yes, now we have made orange. Yeah, we will take our orange color and color it beside the red here. Okay, Eric?
Okay.
Now we'll make green secondary color. So for making green, we need blue and yellow. I'll take out some blue, you take out the yellow. A bit water. Now
Yellow some tight.
it's dry. Okay, now put the yellow in the blue. Mix it. take out the red. Eric, you take out the blue, please, for me.
Okay.
And here, mix purple.
This is purple only.
No, that's not purple.
This is purple.
More red.
No, we need more red. Eric, stop me coloring blue. This is purple. Eric, now tell me how to make orange.
With red, yellow and red.
Correct. Now Eric, tell me how to make green.
Yellow plus blue.
Yes, you're correct. Now tell me how to make purple.
First we need red plus blue.
Yes, you're correct. Now, everyone, do you also know what are primary and secondary colors? Because now we know.
Yes, we know the primary and secondary colors.
So, bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
And if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye. Thank you.